SMCI stock analysis. This is for next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Super microcomputer stock is already sitting at 33 bucks, and I actually like this bullish range, although it's not going to be consistent instant buys, which a lot of people think and assume. I'm going to stick to my strategy that I've tested 39,000 videos from. I mean, even if I come here, you can see how many receipts I've actually gotten in coming into this exact situation. Unless I see the price actually pulling down and giving me any sort of double break, that I'm not going to look to take things up. Now, I know like a lot of people like to overcomplicate stuff, but personally, me, man, like, why the heck would I, right? It makes no goddamn sense to me, at least. But generally speaking, it's a very, very good position, and I'm actually starting to feel very, very kind of hyped. Because, you know, trading is two games: getting inside the trade game, managing the trade game. If we catch this, then managing the trade game is going to be just a complete breeze. It's going to be just, it's awesome. So stay tuned. I will continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.